Hello friends, this is Qayyum Anwar again. Today is 21st of May, the day on which former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi ji was assassinated in Sri Perumbudur of Tamil Nadu in the year 1991. He was just 45 years old. He became the Prime Minister in the age of 40 years after the assassination of his mother, Srimati Indira Gandhi ji. He was a statesman, he was a pilot, but he was not a politician. So we remember him as a statesman, as a pilot who was trained in Hyderabad, Balanagar. We are very proud of him because he was trained in Hyderabad. And I am very fortunate that I met him several times. When I was working in Citizens Evening as a reporter, I was fortunate that I was assigned to cover him whenever he used to visit Hyderabad. My chief reporter, Mr. Afzal, he used to assign me the beat of Rajiv Gandhi ji whenever he used to come to Hyderabad. We belong to second generation of journalists, and I think there are hardly 10 to 15 journalists who used to cover this beat of Secretariat, and whoever is covering the Secretariat beat, he used to cover the visit of Rajiv Gandhi ji to Hyderabad. So whenever he used to fly from Delhi to Madras, now it is Chennai or Kerala, he used to refuel his aircraft at the Begumpet airport. And during the refueling of the aircraft, he used to call all the media persons and he used to address a press conference during the refueling period. And meanwhile, we used to get lot of time, sometimes 2 hours, sometimes 3 hours. And after press conference, we used to have chit chat with him, introduce ourselves with him, take photographs. In those days, there was no selfie system, there were no mobile phones. So we used to request our media photographers to please click a photo and give the print whenever it is possible. And he was so sharp that once we are introduced to him, he used to remember our name, our organization name, our publication name. And I think that this quality is there in very few politicians. And nowadays, even though you are very much known to anybody, even though any politician knows your name, he will not take your name. And I was very fortunate that I used to get my seat just next to him in the press conference. And it is because of my lovely colleagues, my senior journalists. There were no difference. All used to love me because I was the junior most reporter among them. All of them were seniors, big stalwarts. I salute them. Mr. Ravindranath ji from Deccan Chronicle, Rajendra Prasad ji from Hindu, Srinivas Reddy ji. All of them used to encourage me because I was new in Hyderabad. I shifted to Hyderabad in 1989 from Sangareddy, Medak district. And in the year 1990 or 1991, just a span of 2 years, I started covering personalities like Rajiv Gandhi ji. So whenever there is a press conference, after the press conference, he used to just turn around me and ask me, "Kaise hai Anwar ji?" "Ji sir, अच्छा हूँ." "Well, good." The same thing, "Reddy ji, kaise hain aap?" He used to ask Srinivas Reddy ji. Like this, he used to address everybody. And we never felt that such a personality will leave us in this very young age. And in those days, the security problem was not there. Now you can see so many gunmen, so much of security ring, so many rope parties, everything. He was a prime minister, he was a former prime minister, he was the opposition leader. But we never felt that we were stopped by anybody during coming to press conference or whenever we are meeting him. We were pushed away or we were dragged away. We were not allowed to meet. The tamashas which we see nowadays. In those days it was not there. But the security nowadays, it's too much and it is very much problematic also sometimes. The person who voted to power, the person who gives his vote to the leader and makes him something, he himself is not able to meet him nowadays. So, anyway, I express my condolences again. I recall him and I pray God wherever he is. May God rest his soul in peace because we cannot get such leaders again. I never treated him as a leader. I treated him as an intellectual statesman, well-mannered person, well-mannered personality, down-to-earth person. Even though he was the Prime Minister of India, he was very down-to-earth. Whenever I see this photograph after the press conference, he used to turn towards me and say, "Kaise hai Anwar ji?" I was so happy during those days meeting him and covering his press conferences. Thank you all. See you again.